Here I have Motorola G100, and today I'm going to show you how to enter Fastboot mode on this device. So firstly, you have to turn off your device, and after it turns off completely, you have to hold down combination of keys, power key and volume down at the same time for a couple of seconds like this. In the following menu, you have to use volume keys to navigate and power key to select, and you have to select an option recovery mode. When you see this Android robot laying down here on your screen and no command message under it, you have to hold down power key and press volume up once. In the following menu, you have to use volume keys to navigate and power key to select, like in the previous menu, and select the third option, enter Fastboot. And after that you will end up in a Fastboot mode. Here in the Fastboot mode you have these options like reboot system now, enter recovery, reboot to bootloader and power off. So if you want to quit this mode, you can select every of these options. Like the first one just restarts your device, the second one returns you to the previous menu, the third one returns you to this first menu, which was when we held it power key and volume down, and power off just turns off your device. So let's just restart it. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.